Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today I am taking you on a point of view drive with this impressive new Hyundai Tucson. We have a lovely ambient here with snow around us, and I'm gonna drive this mild hybrid 180 horsepower petrol engine. As you can see, we do have the very impressive design with the parametric grille on this new generation. And then if we move on to the side, 4.5 meters is the length. This car sits on this lovely 19-inch wheels, and when you unlock it, you are greeted with this LED stripe. Goes all the way from one side to another, looks very impressive. We do have a cool feature, which is a hidden rear wiper. And well, yeah, without further ado, I think it's time to take this thing for a spin so that you see how it looks and how it performs during the drive. So this is the new interior, very modern indeed. Let me just clean my shoes. There we go. So lovely ambient, and well, yeah, that's about it. You turn it on by pressing the start button and the car comes to life. Okay, so let's start the drive. As you can see in front of us, we have 10.25-inch digital cockpit, and it changes the layout when you change the driving modes. We will start in the normal drive mode, and we do have the automatic transmission, uses the shift-by-wire technology. So you just press D and we are ready to roll. This car also has the four-wheel drive. And as I said, mild hybrid petrol, 180 horsepower. Top speed is 201 km per hour, 0 to 100 9 seconds. And feels very smooth, the transmission. And for an SUV, the car is behaving very good. I am a huge fan of this new interior, inspired by the waterfalls. So this looks like, you know, the waterfalls. And main touchscreen, 10.25-inch on this top of the line model. On the base trim you would get the 8-inch one, which is also nice, but of course I prefer this one. Since this car does have the driving modes, let's put it to eco mode. And in eco mode, of course, if you want the best consumption, you will drive it in eco mode. And there is also the option of sailing in eco mode. I will demonstrate you that when we leave the city and head, for example, towards the open road and highway. And the ride on this bumpy road with 19-inch wheels is a bit more hard than on the 18-inch. So I already tested the petrol version with 150 horsepower, and that one had 18-inch, and the ride was a bit smoother. So it's, you know, depends on what you want. And now you may saw the blind spot assist monitor. It's a very cool feature. I'll demonstrate you that in a moment. So when you turn on the indicator, you have a special camera in your mirror, and it projects the picture on your dashboard. How cool is that? Let me just show you that. For example, now when we will be turning, even though of course we don't need that much here, but I will demonstrate you that. So look at this. On our left we have the projection of the camera. This can actually be useful also here if you have a cyclist or in your blind spot, then that can be useful. And let me actually demonstrate it right now during the traffic stop. You see, you have a nice image of the camera which is located in the mirror. So thumb up for Hyundai for offering that kind of safety system. It's very useful, definitely, especially during the city drive. Once again, you see it. I will show you also on a highway when we will be changing the lanes. And in your comments you can tell me how do you like this layout of the interior. We do have the heated seats, heated steering wheel, start stop off, so it's easy to turn it off. Just press this, which I just did, and well, yeah, very nice, and I do feel very comfortable in here. And now let me demonstrate you the mild hybrid system. We'll put it to eco mode, and then, for example, if you accelerate and release the throttle, the car is, as you can see, sailing. So it is using the power of 48-volt electric system, and that is the way to save, you know, energy, save fuel actually. And I do love this logo of the sailboat on your dash. And in sport mode, as you can see, we have different dials, more aggressive ones with red color, just like that. 130. Let's go to 7th gear. So this is the situation at 130, less than 2,500 RPMs. I will also show you the cruise control and lane assist. See, this is nicely keeping us in lane. I do have the warning that I need to keep my hands on the steering wheel, but it's doing a good job of keeping us in lane. Let me also show you the adaptive cruise control. So kilometers per hour, and you can also adjust distance when it comes to braking, whether you want the car to brake earlier or later. On the highway, best way is to brake earlier, so we have the distance set to 4, and when we reach that car in front of us, that van actually, then the car will start to brake, even though I think we will reach the 100 kilometers per hour limit before that, so we will need to brake for that also. But it's really relaxed in here. Longer road trips will not be any problem here. I would actually really enjoy driving this for hours. And now we have speed limit of 100. So let's see the situation at 100 kilometers per hour. You can put the cruise control to 100, and now this is really relaxed, no sounds at all, and the RPMs are below 2000. So quite good. I'm really loving this car. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. And I think now we will demonstrate the braking part. So we are doing 100. Let's put this to 130 current speed limit, but we have traffic in front of us, so the car will start to brake. As you can see now, it's not allowing us to go below 130, but if you want to go on left lane, then it will start, you know, doing the speed that you told them to go. But now, for example, let me also show you this, a blind spot assist. You see that? We have this screen, and as soon as you go into left lane, the car accelerates to 130, and there we go, just like that. So that's about it, guys. You saw it, you know, in the city, you saw it on an open road, and now on a highway. Bunch of technology in this car. I'm really a big fan. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel in order to see more car reviews, but that's it for now, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.